Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus. Okay, in this video, it is a continuation of our previous video. Previously, we have posted many problems and solved problems 1 to 40 in part 1 and part 2 as well, and determinants and matrices. These the questions are taken based on the problems frequently asked questions in the competitive exams. Okay, this will be helpful for you to solve those problems. So if you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist and subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon as well. Then only you will receive notification whenever we upload videos. Okay, we will start the lecture 41. In this video we are going to see problem number 41 to 60 in part 3. So what is given? Two eigenvalues of the matrix. Matrix is given R3 and 0. What is the third eigenvalue? We need to find out the third eigenvalue. So the given matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So it has three eigenvalues, say lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. So say it is a lambda 1 is 3, lambda 2 is 0. So we need to find out the lambda 3. Third eigenvalue is what? We are going to find out that. So what is the we can find it using the properties of the eigenvalue. So what is the property of one of the property is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements of the given matrix. What is sum of diagonal elements equal to sum of eigenvalues. The sum of eigenvalues or otherwise called as trace of A. Trace of the matrix is nothing but sum of the eigenvalues, which is equal to the sum of the diagonal elements. So what is the sum of diagonal elements? 8, 7, 3. 8 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to sum of eigenvalues, right? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. So two eigenvalues we know, 3 and 0 plus lambda 3. So 15, 18 will go to that side as 18 minus 3, 15. So lambda 3. The third eigenvalue is nothing but 15. Option 3, 15 is the right option. Then find the eigenvalues of the matrix A. We are going to find out the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So we have two methods to solve the values of the eigenvalues. One is a standard method using which Cayley-Hamilton theorem is nothing but modulus of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Using characteristic equation A minus lambda I equal to 0. Then find out the eigenvalues from this. Okay. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So we will have two eigenvalues as lambda 1 and lambda 2. Previously we have in previous parts. If you don't know how to solve this using Cayley-Hamilton theorem mod A minus lambda I, kindly check our previous videos. Previously we have discussed very clear about to find out the eigenvalues. Okay. From this we are going to solve. In exam point of view, if we are doing using that method, it will drag our time. It is waste of our time. So from the properties of the eigenvalues, we can solve this very quickly. Okay. One of the property is nothing but, before we have seen what is the sum of diagonal elements of a given matrix A is equal to sum of the eigenvalues. Okay. Sum of the eigenvalues is otherwise known as trace of A. So sum of eigenvalues, sum of diagonal elements of A matrix is equal to trace of A. Trace of A is nothing but sum of eigenvalues. So we should equate to this. What is the diagonal elements? 4 plus 2. Here 4 plus 2 is equal to sum of the eigenvalues. So we should 4 plus 2 here. 4 plus 3 what? 6. Okay, so sum of the eigenvalues should be 6 only. Okay, sum of the eigenvalues should be 6. So from this option we can, as I told already, we can solve using this method. Clearly, normally we can get the lambda value, lambda 1 and lambda 2 value. It will drag over time. So we are using the properties and using the options depends upon. So sum of the eigenvalue should be 6. So we'll check these two eigenvalues. 1 plus 5 is 6. So it may be a option. Check it for the rest of the option. 6 plus 2 8, wrong. 10 plus 9 19, this is also wrong. 1 plus 7 8. So sum of the eigenvalues is 6. Here 1 plus 5 is 6. So sum of the eigenvalue should be equal to the sum of the diagonal elements. So from the properties we can solve this problem. So then question number 43. Okay, find the eigenvalues of the matrix A given. So see, the given matrix is a triangular matrix. Which triangular matrix? Triangular matrix means triangular. This is upper triangular. The rest of the elements should be 0. For it is a upper triangular matrix. The below the elements is 0. So for the this is also the properties of the diagonal elements for any triangular matrix. For any triangle, it may be upper triangular or it may be a lower triangular. What is the eigenvalue? The eigenvalue is nothing but the leading diagonal elements. Eigenvalues is nothing but leading diagonal elements for any triangular matrix. So what is the answer? So for any triangular I am writing like this, matrix A. For any triangular matrix A, eigenvalues is equal to leading diagonal elements. So from the question is 2, 2, 2. So this is the eigenvalues. Option 1, 2, 2, 2. For this problem, this is a upper triangular matrix. It has only the values for the upper triangular. Then question number 44. If one of the eigenvalues of A, this matrix, is 9, find the other two eigenvalues. So given matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will have 3 eigenvalues as lambda 1 and lambda 2 and lambda 3. So one of the eigenvalues is given as lambda 1. Say lambda 1 equal to minus 9. We need to find out the lambda 2 and lambda 3 value. How can we find out? Using the properties of the eigenvalues. So what is the first property? Sum of diagonal elements equal to trace of A. Trace of A is nothing but sum of eigenvalues. Okay. Sum of eigenvalue is equal to sum of diagonal element is nothing but trace of A. Trace of A is nothing but that should be equal to sum of eigenvalues. Okay. So from this question, so sum of the diagonal elements. So diagonal element adding, that should be equal to the sum of the eigenvalues. Adding 7 minus 8 minus 8. So 7 minus 8 minus 8 is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. Sum of diagonal elements is otherwise known as trace of A. So previously what I told you, sum of eigenvalues, diagonal elements is known as trace of A. Okay, that should be equal to the trace sum of eigenvalues. Here also sum of eigenvalues or otherwise known as trace of A, that should be equal to sum of eigenvalues. Okay, so we'll see here. So trace of A is nothing but sum of diagonal elements. I already told sum of eigenvalues equal to trace of A. This is wrong. So kindly correct this. Sum of diagonal elements, otherwise known as trace of A. Trace of A, which means that sum of diagonal elements, that should be equal to sum of eigenvalues. Okay. So trace of A. In some other problems there may be a chance of asking what is trace of A. So in that trace of A we need to add the sum of the diagonal elements. So for this question we'll go what is given, one of the eigenvalue given, we need to find out the rest of the eigenvalues. So from the properties of addition of eigenvalues is equal to sum of diagonal elements. So 7 minus 8 should be equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. So 7 minus 16 is nothing but minus 9. One of the eigenvalue is minus 9. Okay. Lambda 1 is 9. We should find out the lambda 2 plus lambda 3. Okay. This will go to that side, that and both will get cancelled. So lambda 2 plus lambda 3 should be 0. So this is the clue. When we adding these two eigenvalues, we should get 0. From this option we'll see 7 minus 7 0, 6 minus 6 0, 10 minus 10 0, 5 minus 5 0. So everything we are getting, when we adding those eigenvalues we will get 0 only. So we will use one more property and we'll find out what is that product of eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. So what is the product of eigenvalues? Means lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. When we multiplying all this, that should be equal to the determinant value of the given matrix. I am just copying 4 minus 8 minus 1, 4 minus 1 minus 8, right? So we'll find out the determinant value for this one. What we will get? 7 into 64 minus 1 minus 4 into minus 32 plus 4 minus 4 into minus 4 plus 32. So 7 into 64 minus 1, 7 into 63, we will get around 441, right? 441. Okay. Then minus 2, see, minus 32 plus 28. What we will get? Minus 28 here plus 28. So minus into minus plus 28 into 4 around 1112 we will have. Minus into minus plus 1112. Here also same thing, 28 into 4, here minus 1112 equal to lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. So lambda 1 value is nothing but minus 9 into lambda 2, lambda 3. I am just substituting the lambda 1 value. So 441 minus 9, right? Here I am writing 441 divided by minus 9, what we will get? Minus 49. So lambda 2, lambda 3 value is minus 49. Can you understand, guys? Sum of eigenvalues is nothing but sum of diagonal elements. So from that we can find out lambda 2 plus lambda 3 equal to 0. Then we can we know one more property, product of eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues is nothing but determinant of L. So determinant value is nothing but minus 49. So what we get? Lambda 2 plus lambda 3 equal to 0. Lambda 2 into lambda 3 equal to minus 49. So this is only we are getting. So what does it means? When we adding together we should get 0. When we multiplying these values we should get minus 49. From the options, see, all the options will give 0 only when we adding the eigenvalue. So but when we multiplying those eigenvalues we should get minus 49. See which one? 7 into 7 minus 49. Obviously this is the answer. So the rest of the eigenvalues are lambda 2 and lambda 3 is nothing but plus 7 and minus 7. So for this minus 36, this is minus 100, this is minus 25. So we are getting minus 49 for this only. This for this equation option 1 only satisfy these two equations. So answer is 7 comma minus 7. Find the eigenvalues of the given matrix. We are going to find out the eigenvalues of the given matrix. So by using the properties we can find out what is that. Sum of eigenvalues is nothing but trace of A. Trace of A, what is trace of A? Actually sum of diagonal elements. Diagonal values or elements. So what is the sum of diagonal? 1 plus this one. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 we are getting 3. So this is the sum of the eigenvalues. So in that option we should check which value we will get 0. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. As I said earlier, it will have 3 eigenvalues. So we'll check. When we are adding these eigenvalues, we'll check which option satisfy this. 1 plus 3, 6. This is wrong. We should get 3. For this 2 plus 1 plus this is 3. This 7 plus 5, 12. This is also 3. So here two options we are getting 3. Okay. So we are getting two option as 3. Then we need to check one more property, that is nothing but product of eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues is equal to, for the sum of eigenvalues, two options are matching. We'll check one more property. Product of eigenvalues is nothing but determinant of A. So when we taking determinant, what we will get? 1 minus 1, 0. So 0. That should be equal to the product of the eigenvalue. So we'll multiply these and these. When we multiplying this one, we will get 1 only. When we multiplying these 3, already 0 now. So obviously we are getting 0. Okay. So this is the right option. 0, 1 and 2 will satisfy these two properties. So 0, 1, 2, option 2 is the right option for this problem. Then if alpha and beta are the eigenvalue of 3, minus 1, minus the given matrix, form the matrix whose eigenvalues are alpha cube and beta cube. So we should form the matrix for the eigenvalues for alpha cube and beta cube. What is the given? Alpha and beta are the eigenvalues of the given matrix. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is also one. We are going to use one of the properties of eigenvalues. What is that? When lambda 1, lambda 2, for example, lambda up to lambda n is the eigenvalue of, if lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n are the eigenvalues of some matrix A means, so then lambda 1 power k, lambda 2 power k, lambda n power k is the eigenvalues of A power k. Are you clear? If lambda, lambda 2, lambda n are the eigenvalues of A, then lambda 1 power k and lambda 2 power k and lambda n power k are the eigenvalues of A power k. So from this what we can get? A and B are the alpha and beta are the eigenvalues of this matrix. So we should form the matrix for whose eigenvalues are alpha cube and beta cube. So this is a matrix A. 3, minus 1, minus 1, 5. Okay. Then what is the eigenvalue? Alpha and beta. So we should form the matrix for alpha cube and beta cube. Eigenvalues for alpha cube and beta cube is nothing but what? From the properties A cube. So A cube only we are getting the eigenvalues for A, eigenvalues as alpha cube and beta cube. So we just find out the A cube. A cube means first we will find out the A squared. A squared is nothing but A into A. Just a normal multiplication. Matrix multiplication. 3 minus 1 minus 1 5. So A squared as 3 3 9 minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 1 plus 25. What we will get? 10 minus 8. See, 10 minus 8 minus 8 into 26. Okay, this is a squared. A squared matters. So to find out a squared, it is nothing but a into a squared. Just a normal multiplication matrix. A is nothing. Multiply again with a 5. So we will get around this one, a cube. This is simple matrix multiplication. We will get the value as 38 minus 50 minus 50 138 as. Okay, so this is so for the eigenvalues of a cube and alpha cube and beta cube, this is the matrix. So option 1 is the right option. So from the property we can find out. Then find the eigenvalues of the given matrix. So one matrix is given. We should solve using the properties before going into the standard procedure. Okay. So what is the first property? We all know sum of eigenvalues is nothing but trace of A. Trace of A. What is trace of A? Actually sum of diagonal elements. So first using 2 plus 2, this is the diagonal element, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we'll check for the option which one get 6. Okay, 6, 11, not 3 plus 3, 6, this one correct. 7 minus 4 also 6. This is also coming. This is also coming. 2 plus 2, 6. So 3 options we are getting as 6. So we'll see one more property, that is nothing but product of eigenvalue. I am just simply writing E and B is equal to, should be determinant A. So we will find out the determinant value for the given matrix and we'll check it. Okay, 2 into 4 minus 1 into minus 2. So 8 minus into minus plus 10. So determinant value as we are getting 2. So product of eigenvalue should be 10. So lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 should be 10. Lambda 1, lambda plus addition should be 6. So we'll check the options which will satisfy these two conditions. So for this check, addition is 6 coming, then we getting product. What is product of eigenvalues is nothing but this is 10 minus 1. It is not minus 1 actually. Here I made a mistake. Plus 1 only now. So minus 2. 8 minus 2. We are getting 6. So sum and product should be 6. Sum of the eigenvalues and product of the eigenvalue should be 6. We'll check for the options. So here sum is 6 and product as well 6 only. Okay, here sum is 6. Product is 12 minus 12. So this is also wrong. Then this is sum is 6. Product is 2, 4, 4 into 8, 8. So this the option will match the two conditions. So eigenvalues is 1, 2, 3. Then moving on to the next problem. If alpha, beta, gamma are eigenvalues of A, then form the matrix whose eigenvalues alpha minus 5, beta minus 5 and gamma minus 5. This is also based on the properties of the eigenvalues. If what is given, say lambda 1 and lambda 2 etc. lambda n are the eigenvalues of A means, then A minus k lambda 1 comma A minus k lambda 2 comma A minus k lambda What is given? Alpha minus beta minus 5. No, so lambda 1 minus 5, lambda 2 minus 5, etc. Lambda n minus 5 is equal to eigenvalues of a minus ki. Okay. If lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 n is the eigenvalues, means then lambda 1 minus 5 and lambda 2 minus 5 and lambda gamma minus 5, lambda up to lambda n minus 5, we can write it as a minus 5y. So here in general it is a minus, in general lambda 1 minus, we'll see. We are going to form the matrix. What is the A matrix? We'll just write down that. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 6, 7, minus 8, 9. So alpha minus 5 and beta minus 5 and gamma minus 5 are the eigenvalues of A minus 5y. So a minus 5y, this is a minus 5y means 5 into I is should be also 3 cross 3. A matrix is 3 cross 3 now. So this is the unity matrix. So what does it means? 5, when we multiplying 5 inside, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 6, 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Well, it's just a matrix subtraction. So minus 1, minus 5, we are getting minus 6. Rest of the term we are getting 0, same element only. 4 here, 5 minus 5, 0, minus 6, then 7, minus 8, 9 minus 5, 4. So this is the value for alpha minus 5, eigenvalues of matrix alpha minus 5, gamma minus 5. So 6 minus 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 6, 7 minus 8 minus 4. Option 1. So in general we can, this is the procedure to solve this. A minus 5i. Okay. In general a minus ki. Okay. If a lambda 1 minus k, lambda 2 minus k, etc. lambda n minus k means what is the eigenvalues of that matrix? A minus k. What is the matrix of that eigenvalue? Okay. Then, so this is the format to find out the matrix. So see here the diagonal elements only having values. So we simply, the rest of the element will not going to get affected, right? It is suggest subtracting from 0 only. So it will be repeating. Only the diagonal element only we can subtract from minus 5. So from the question itself. So we'll see. In exam point of view, we'll say, I am saying alpha and beta and gamma are eigenvalues of A, then alpha minus 5, beta minus 5 and gamma minus 5 is nothing but A minus 5i. A minus 5i is nothing but just subtract the minus 5 value in the diagonal element itself, because the rest of the diagonal elements will be 0 only. Okay, just subtract minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 5 4. The rest of the elements just copy down from the given matrix. Okay. (49) Find the product of all eigenvalues of the given matrix. So we know that here it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So it will have 3 eigenvalues as lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. We need to find out the lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 value, product of eigenvalues. So this is the matrix A, given matrix. So what is the property? We know product of eigenvalues is nothing but determinant A. Just find out the determinant value. 6 minus 4, then minus 1, 3 minus 2, plus 1 into 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 we are getting 0, simplifying. 2, here 2, this is 1, no, 2 minus 1, 1. So product of determinant value is 1. Then what is the product of eigenvalue? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is nothing but 1. So option 1. Option 2 is the right option. Question number 50. Find the sum of eigenvalues. What is the sum of eigenvalues? We know what is the property. Sum of eigenvalues is nothing but trace of A. What is a trace actually? Sum of diagonal elements. Okay, diagonal values. So diagonal 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is that? 6. So sum of the eigenvalues of this given matrix is 6. Sum of the eigenvalues of A. As I told already, sum of the eigenvalues of A is nothing but trace of A. Option A is the right option. Sum of squares of the eigenvalues of this matrix. We need to find out the sum of, read the question carefully, sum of the squares of the eigenvalues. So, we'll see the given matrix is a triangular matrix. That also upper triangular matrix. For any triangular matrix, what is the eigenvalues? As I said earlier, just diagonal elements. So, what is the diagonal elements? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Diagonal elements is 1, 2, 5. So, for any triangular matrix, it may be upper triangular or lower triangular. The given matrix is a upper triangular matrix. For upper triangular matrix, the eigenvalues is nothing but the leading diagonal elements 1, 2, 5. So, what is given in the question? We need to find out the sum of the squares of the eigenvalues. Sum of the squares of the eigenvalues is nothing but sum of the squares of the eigenvalues, which means that lambda 1 square, lambda 2 square plus lambda 3 square. So, it's nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 5 square. So, what is that? 1 plus 4 plus 25. 1 plus 4 plus 25. So, 25 plus actually 39. 30. So, 30 is the right option. Option 2, 30 is the right answer for this problem. Sum of the squares of the eigenvalues. Next, move on to the question number 53. Find the constant A and B such that the matrix AB, given matrix given, has 3 and minus 2 as its eigenvalue. So, this matrix, let's say it is a matrix A. This is the elements. What is the eigenvalue? This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So, it will have 2 eigenvalues as 3 as well minus 2. So, we need to find out the AB. So, from the properties of the matrix, we'll find out which one suits. Okay. So, sum of the eigenvalues is nothing but trace of A. Trace of A is nothing but addition of diagonal elements, right? A plus B. So, sum of the eigen element, this is the eigenvalue. So, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, A plus B equal to 1. So, we will know one more, we need to find out the A and B value. Then one more property is nothing but product of eigenvalues equal to determinant A. So, what is the determinant value for this? AB minus 4, right? AB minus 4 is equal to product of eigenvalues 3 into minus 2, which is equal to 3 into minus 2. So, minus 6 AB minus 4. This will go to that side. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. AB equal to minus 2. So, what we are getting from this equation? AB equal to 1. A plus B equal to 1, then AB equal to minus 2, which means when we adding these two, we will get 1 and we will multiplying this minus 2. So, when we adding, we should get 1. From this option, we will see when we adding these two, we are getting 1. No, this is wrong. we'll see which one satisfy these two from these options. Okay, when we adding, see 2 minus 3, we will get a minus 1, but we should get plus 1. So here when we adding, we are what we are getting 2 minus 1 1, a plus b equal to 1. So satisfy this one, option 3. Then when we multiplying, we should get minus 2. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So it satisfies the both the equation. We'll check for this one also. When we adding, what is getting minus 4 plus 1 minus. So this is also wrong. So the what is the constant value now? A equal to minus 1 and b equal to 2. Option 3 is the right option. Then we'll move on to the question number 54. For a 2 cross 2 matrix, sum of eigenvalues is 0. This is 0. Okay. Then the product of eigenvalues is 25. Then the eigenvalue. So what is given? It is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So we will have two eigenvalues as lambda 1 and lambda 2. What is given? Sum of eigenvalues equal to 0. Then product of eigenvalues of A, that means lambda 1 lambda 2 minus 25. So from these options we'll check for the, from options we'll check which one satisfy these two equations. So first we will check for sum of the eigenvalues. So sum of the eigenvalues plus 5 minus 5 getting 0 only. For this also, for every options we are getting plus or minus the same value. So we will add the together, we will get 0 only. Then we need to what is the next step? We need to check for product of eigenvalues. So product means 5 into 5 minus 25. Okay, this option 1 satisfy these two equations. We'll check for the rest of the option. This is minus 100 minus 49 minus 1. So this here, when we adding, we will get 0. When we multiplying these two, we are getting minus 25. So option 1 is the right option for this problem, plus or minus 5. Find the eigenvalues of the given matrix. So what is given? We need to find out the eigenvalues of the given matrix. So as I told earlier, we can use the standard method, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, which means that A minus lambda I equal to 0. Then find out the eigenvalues. We will get 3 eigenvalues because it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So from the what is the another method? Using the properties, and from the options given in the problem, we can check with the properties. Okay, first property, what is the sum of the eigenvalues equal to trace of A. Trace of A, what is that? Addition of diagonal element, right? 8 plus 7 plus 3, so 18. So sum of the eigen, here given as a eigenvalue, we will check this. Sum of eigenvalue should be 18. Then we'll check for this one from the option. Here we are getting 18. Here 10 plus 6, 16, 16, 28. So this is wrong. This is 20. This is wrong. When we are adding, this is also not 18. This is also wrong. So we no need to go for the another property to check for it. So from these options, this only satisfy the sum of the eigenvalues as 18. So 0, 3, 15 is the right answer for this problem. Then 56. If 1, 1, 5 are eigenvalues of A, then find the eigenvalues of 5A. As I told earlier, if lambda 1, this is also property, lambda n are the eigenvalues of A means, then k lambda 1, k into lambda 2, k into lambda n is the eigenvalue of Ka. Can you get? So for eigenvalues of, from this problem, 5A is nothing but 5 into lambda 1, 5 into lambda 2 into 5 into lambda 3. So 5 into 1 5, 5 25. So this is the eigenvalues of 5a. 5 comma 5 comma 25. Option 1 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next one. If 2 comma 3 are the eigenvalues of a, then find out a. We need to find out the a from the given matrix. So first we will write down the matrix given in the problem. 2 0 1 0 2 0 a 0 2. So this is the problem, and what is given? It is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will have 3 eigenvalues as lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. 2 eigenvalues given, 2, 3. So we need to find out the third eigenvalue and then find out the a value. So what is the procedure? From the property, sum of eigenvalue equal to trace of a. Trace of a. What is trace of a? Addition of diagonal elements. So trace of a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. So sum of the eigenvalues is nothing but lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3, which means that 2 plus 3 plus lambda 3. We don't know the third eigenvalue. We need to find out the a. So what is lambda 3 actually? 6. 6 minus 5 1. So this is the third eigenvalue. So from the third eigenvalue, lambda 3 has 1. From the third eigenvalue, we need to find out the constant a value. How can you find? We know one more property, nothing but product of eigenvalue is nothing but determinant a. Just find out the determinant value for this. Okay. 2 into 4 minus 0. This is 0 only, plus 1 into minus 2a. So this one equal to product of eigenvalue. Product of eigenvalues is nothing but 2. First of all, this is the eigenvalue for the given matrix 2, 3, 1. What is the product? 6. That should be equal to 6. Then find out the 8. 6 equal to 8 minus 2a. So 6 minus 8. What we will getting? 6 minus 8 minus 2. Minus 2 equal to minus 2a. Minus 2 get cancelled. A equal to 1. So what is the constant value? A is option 1 is the right option. Then move on to the question number 58. In a square matrix A of order 3, A1 has sum of its leading diagonals, A2 sum of the minus of its leading diagonals, A3 equal to modulus A, nothing but determinant of A. Then the characteristic equation of A is, we need to find out the characteristic equation. So what is given? A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, we need to find out the characteristic equation from the data. So what is the actually 3 cross 3 matrix means it should have 3 eigenvalues. So characteristic equation also having lambda cube. Sign should be alternative. Next, see, minus a1 into lambda squared. A1 here. This is the procedure to find out the characteristic equation of any 3 cross 3 matrix. What is that? For the characteristic equation, order is 3. So it should have lambda cube minus, then we should put minus sign, lambda squared into sum of its leading diagonals. Then alternately plus minus will change. Plus minus, then plus lambda into lambda cube minus lambda square plus lambda into sum of, first one is sum of its leading diagonals, next one is sum of the minus of its leading diagonal elements. Okay, then determinant of A. equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation for a 3 cross any 3 cross 3 matrix. This is the formula. What is this? Lambda cube minus, for 3 cross 3 it is should be lambda cube minus plus, then this is minus, sorry, plus minus plus minus. So okay, lambda cube minus lambda squared into what should come? Sum of its the leading diagonals plus lambda into sum of the minor of its leading diagonals, then minus determinant A. So this is the characteristic equation. So lambda cube minus sum of its leading diagonal, what is given? A1. So A1 lambda square. This is the procedure to form the characteristic equation for any 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. Then sum of the minor of its leading diagonal. Sum of the minor of its leading diagonals equal to A2 lambda. Then minus determinant of A. So determinant of A here denoted as A3. So minus A3 equal to 0. So lambda cube minus A1 lambda square plus A2 lambda minus A3 equal to 0. This one. Option 1 is the right option. Okay. C 59. If lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n are the eigenvalues of A, then k lambda 2 are the eigenvalues of what? Already we have seen now solved on problem before previously. What is that? This one. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n are the eigenvalues of A means then k lambda 1, k lambda 2 up to k lambda n are the eigenvalues of k A. If it is multiple of A also, the same thing, k lambda is nothing but ka. Okay, this is also property of the eigenvalues of the matrix. Then this is the final question in this type. Okay, last question, 60, question number 60. A square matrix A and its transpose A transpose have same eigenvalues, distinct eigenvalues, no common eigenvalues, none. So for a and A transpose, for a square matrix it should have same eigenvalues. Okay, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and then click on the bell icon also, then only you will receive notification as in when we upload videos. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Thanks for watching.